Hello again, Solis Wealth family. Greg Solis here for our market update. First, on the family front, got some big news. You're not going to believe this. For those of you that know me well, this probably isn't too surprising, but we sold our house. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. We are building another house, and we just felt the opportunity to sell it now was the right thing to do. We couldn't believe it that our next door neighbor, literally we share a wall with them, wanted to rent their house for a year. So we felt it was a sign from God that we need to sell our place. We sold it. So anyways, that was a hard move. We thought it'd be easy because it was right next door. Monica said, at this age, I'm done, Greg. This last house, this is it. But those of you that have been around us long enough to know, we've said that before, but it is our true intention to move into the new house that we're building and stay there forever. But exciting stuff going on. Fortunately, Jack and Nicole and Emily were all there to help us out. We did a lot of walking back and forth. On Tuesday, big move day, I walked 11.2 miles back and forth. I literally tracked it on my phone. Anyways, Solis family's good. Hope your family's doing well. Also, hope you had a nice 4th of July weekend. And but market-wise, things continue to be pretty volatile. Fortunately, these last couple of weeks, we had 2 up weeks in a row on the stock market, which is great to see. Up a little over 4% from the bottom that we hit on June 16th. And so, well, let's hope it's a bottom. But things look a little bit better. The labor market still looks very strong. Payrolls came out and we jumped up quite a bit this last report. And so it's kind of a touchy thing because strong payroll means strong economy. Strong economy means that perhaps more inflation. More inflation means that the Fed's going to have to raise some rates. So it's almost like good news is bad news and bad news is good news. Gets a little confusing, but the bottom line is this. Economy still looks pretty strong. Employment numbers look good. The Fed will most likely be increasing the rate about 75 basis points or 0.75%. And so that is making things very, very delicate. The concern is whether we are going to have a soft landing in the economy or whether we're going to go into a recession. It doesn't appear like we're going into a recession just yet. And so we're cautiously optimistic that the economy is going to continue to move along okay, assuming the Fed doesn't overshoot it and raise rates too much and put the economy into a recession. So employment numbers look good. This quarter, we're going to start seeing this week, we will see a lot of the S&P 500 earnings reports coming out. And we're looking at a year over year about a 5% increase in earnings. So that's good. So corporate balance sheets still look really good. The consumers still spending. Again, people have jobs, people are working, people are spending money. And that's what we feel might be able to get us through this little cycle that we're in and perhaps not put us into a recession. And if that's the case, then we should see stock prices start to rebound. We've also seen the bond markets settle down a little bit. We saw the 10-year Treasury get up well over 3%, about 3.3, 3.4%. We've been hovering back down about 3%. So we see mortgage rates come back down a little bit. That's okay. Hopefully things are starting to stabilize there with the bond market also. So it's been a challenging time, as we know. It's been literally one of the worst starts in the stock market of all time, and the bond market got hit hard as well. Again, overall, we are holding up well, and I'm very proud of our team here. We've done a good job. Please know that we are all here. I know they've done an incredible job keeping in contact with everybody. But you know that if you need to talk to us, please don't hesitate to call. We're here for you. We're doing a lot behind the scenes to do a little bit of tax harvesting, as well as rebalancing the portfolios back into alignment. And we're staying very proactive with that. But please know we're here if you have any questions or thoughts or concerns. Otherwise, my very best to you and your family. Enjoy your summer. Take care and God bless.